Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making this French cleat glue bottle holder. I always have the problem that I can't find my glue bottles. I always have them laying around all over my shop. This specific holder holds the bottles upside down, which is very nice because the glue is always in the top also if the bottle is half empty. So you always have the glue available. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do so, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new content. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you got any comments or suggestions, leave them in the comments section below. So let's get right to it. We start this build off at the table saw, where I cut the 3/4 inch plywood to a 4-inch wide strip using the fence. After that I use the miter gauge to cut the pieces square at 12 inches for the long sides and 5 inches for the short sides. As you can see, my dust collection on the table saw is not optimal yet. I should fix that. After this, I lower my table saw blade to a 1/4 inch to cut the rabbets which will hold the bottom of the glue holder. I set up the fence at a 1/4 inch as well, so I get a nice and clean square rabbet. I set the blade to 3/4 inch to cut out the rabbets of the side pieces so they fit nice and square when gluing them up. I'm first adding glue to the rabbets and secure them with clamps, after which I will use the brad nail gun to hold it in place after the clamps are removed and the glue dries. I'm not much of a planner, so I measure the bottom plate as I work on this project. I take a square piece of 1/4 inch plywood for the bottom. Back to the table saw where I cut it to the desired dimensions. I find the center of the bottom and mark where the 3 holes will come. Onto the drill press, where I use a 2-inch hole saw for the holes which will hold the glue bottles. After this, I take the bottom to the router table to give the edges a nice round over. This part is optional, it's only for looks, not for functionality. Add the glue to the rabbets and put the bottom piece in place, securing it with some brad nails. Off camera, I cut a 45-degree angle on a bit of scrap plywood, which will be the French cleat. This part will be glued. I use brad nails to hold it in place and secure it with some screws. After this, the project is done. The times of me looking for my glue bottles is over now. The French cleat wall has been really useful to me and it is really easy to make for yourself. There are a lot of things you can make for the French cleat wall. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.